Hey guys, welcome to another video. We're gonna assemble these 35 characters, and we don't have every single one yet. But this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna assemble them, and then we're gonna put them in the box, and it's gonna be awesome. So right now, we're just gonna make them, and here with me is Baba Athena, Cindy Bubbles, and we're gonna make them. Alrighty, let's start with number one. Where's number one? Alright, Batman's first. So you can see that one side's all, one color, and then the other side is the other color. So it's a different texture and another texture, and this is the texture that is shown. This is the texture that's not shown. So we're gonna pop them out very so slightly, not breaking it. Oh my goodness, this is hard.
Oh, I did it!
Oh, you did it! Oh my goodness!
And the other one here. They were this between.
I have to say that these are much harder to take out than the Harry Potter ones. Okay, that one's a bit frayed. There we go. Alright, now I'm getting the flow, getting the flow.
I can do it.
You can do it.
Look, I got one.
You got one, you got one. Okay, we got the Batman body, and this is the Batman back. So one side stays on the inside.
Here, I got two. I got me too. What's it not working? I can't do it. It's so hard. You can do it.
Is it hard?
Yes, it's so hard.
You're so hard, Bobby.
And this I feel.
Oh yeah, it's so hard. It's so hard.
Is it hard?
Okay, so we have a Batman body.
And who is that here? Is
No.
it Batman body?
With the Batman body, and then gotta get the other piece out.
Is it like that? Is it like that?
So Batman face, then Batman back of head, and whoop. Gotta stay true to your.
Tata, is it like that? Tata, is it like that?
It will be. You just gotta attach every single one.
Give me the wings.
Alright, so we got the back of the head,
Give me the
and the
wings.
connector. We put the section in,
Please
like
give me
that,
the
like so, and then we lock it all in with the actual face. And there you go. That is one character made. Batman.
I can stick it. I can stick it. I can stick it
So you can see, you can move the head. Alright, so that's Batman done. Yeah. You want some help there, Baba?
Yes.
So you see this here? This is for the head. So you gotta put that one like this, and that one like this, and then you need one of these to connect them together. So stick one of those in that. Stick it in there, in the hole.
Yes.
Yeah, like that. And
That's better.
let's push it in as far as you can. Alright, now you push this in the hole.
This.
Nope. That way.
That way.
Off of the head. Put it in. Line it up. Line it up. Really push down and you line it up. Otherwise, you're gonna break because it's paper. Alright. Here's. Oh, we're gonna do that part last. We gotta do the back. Where's the back of the back? Here's the back. Alright, let's do the back. Okay, back.
Yeah.
And then put the piece in there.
Yes.
Put it in there, Bobby. Yeah, put it in.
That.
Very close, very close.
You lost it.
Okay. Now put this piece in there.
Yes. This way.
Up,
Here.
and then push down. Now do the front.
I'm bigger.
That's right, you are.
Oops. Let it up.
Line it up.
So heavy.
So hard. That's it. Now put them together. See? Now put the face on.
Yes.
Yes. Line it up.
Let it up
Line it up.
like that.
Yep. And then push down. And there you go, Baba.
Yay.
You did it. Batman.
Whee!
Oh, you.
Alright, number two, number two.
Wee, it's flying up high. That's look, it's flying up high.
Yeah. Good job.
Oh, Batman pull down.
Batman fall down. Batman fall down.
I will have flash. That I will have flash.
Do you want to do number 3?
Oh, this is not me.
Wonder Woman. Here you go. Oh, you got one there.
No, that's vintage.
Oh, this is vintage. Vintage.
With fish.
Yeah, number 3.
Yes.
Should I make two?
That's a look. I planted that. Oh, hello. He is hello to her, but it's still not good. Okay, can I do that first?
Oh.
Oops, you dropped it.
Dropped it.
Oh, I did a hiccup.
You did a hiccup.
It's so hard. Oops.
No, we did the connector first.
Superman.
Oh.
And you get the information.
I'm flying like you, Superman.
Superman. Superman.
Hello. I'm flying. Wee. Woohoo.
Eh. Oh. Number 4 is Aquaman. Aquaman. Yum, yum, yum.
How about my Aquaman?
Here, you're helping over there. I'll make Aquaman. You do Wonder Woman.
It's too hard.
No, it's not.
I think it hurt.
What? What do you mean? Are you getting confused by the colors?
Yeah.
You didn't look at the colors before you know, take them apart? So it's important you gotta choose the colors. So, this is the part that stays hidden. This is the part that shows.
But this one's like black.
Yeah, so you can see that this black is a little bit more matte. This black is a little shiny. So that looks like the butt.
Oh,
And this one is holding a trident. So that's gotta be the part.
Can I see? No!
Wonder Woman. What's the name? Batgirl. Next is Batgirl.
Look at him. Look at her.
Wonder Woman.
Yeah, Wonder Woman.
Wonder
You see
Woman.
Batgirl?
Girl, Batgirl.
I would choose this, Starfire.
Let's choose the one at the time.
I don't like Starfire. I like that. Who is that?
So that's Harley Quinn.
Yeah. This is Pete.
Aquaman,
Is
Aquaman.
it next?
Flash next.
And then the other Flash is here.
Oh, the reverse flash.
Yes, it's 2-4. 2-4.
Supergirl is now.
That's Supergirl. Look at her. Look at her, that guy.
Wow.
Supergirl.
Supergirl. Oh, as well.
Let's do this one, the Green Lantern.
Who is that guy? Where is that guy?
Who's that guy? That's Owlman. Is it Owlman? I can't read it. Oh, it's Catwoman, sorry. Yeah,
Catwoman.
it's Catwoman.
Oh, that guy break it up.
Wow, that wasn't so hard, eh, Mama?
Yeah.
Flash.
That guy, I do it again. That guys, I do it again.
You did it again. You did it again.
What's your cyborg?
And Cyborg, what number are we up to? We don't have number 7. Okay, so we're going straight to number 9.
That guy, you did this with the ears. These have ears.
Is that ears?
Yes.
This one's got an ear.
Yeah, and this
Cyborg's
one
got an
too.
ear. Cyborg's got an ear.
The cyborg does have an ear. It's working so hard. This I come too. 1, 2, 3. That guy made 2.
Yeah.
And then about the body. Ah!
The bot. And there's Cyborg with the ear. Cyborg.
That guy is.
So we've assembled the DC characters. As you can see, they're here, and then we're gonna put them in the box,
Yeah.
the collector's case.
Hey, is it on top there?
Okay, Batman, number 1.
Me too.
Superman. All right, Wonder Woman.
We like the heroes.
Ah.
Aquaman is there.
Here.
Yeah.
Batgirl is next.
Oh, yeah.
Then the Flash. Okay, we got Green Lantern Jessica Cruz. She's here. Jessica Cruz. Cyborg. Robin. We don't have.
Change.
Mira.
Mira.
Here she is. Shazam. We don't have Shazam. Or do we? Shazam.
That's your phone.
And next is Supergirl. Supergirl. Hawkman is next. Oh.
Little, what have it?
Batwoman. Which I didn't know we had a Batwoman. That's interesting. Satana.
Ta-da!
Starfire. The Joker.
Joker.
Harley Quinn. Reverse Flash. Catwoman. Poison Ivy. Black Manta.
Black Manta.
Katana.
Katana.
Cheetah. No Cheetah. The Riddler.
Look at the hero.
Black Adam.
Here we go.
Black Adam.
Yeah.
And King Shark, we don't have. Vintage Superman.
Yeah.
Vintage Superman. Alright, and the last one, Vintage Wonder Woman. Vintage Wonder Woman.
Hello, Vintage Woman. Ho ho ho.
Alright, so that's So where are we at? We're missing Cyclone, Beast Boy, King Shark, Vintage Batman, and Cheetah. Oh, and then Vixen, Green Lantern, John Stewart.
Oh, that's him.
So there's Vintage Batman there. There's King Shark, John Stewart,
And
Miss Vixen?
Sapphire.
and Cheetah,
Sapphire.
Beast Boy. Alright, that's our collection so far.
Costco superhero system.
Did you say Costco? Coles! That's Coles, Baba.
And then peace.
Peace.
Goodbye.
Awesome, you're still here. Now, choose one of these two videos to watch next, and I'll see you there.